Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. Kindly. So today guys, I am making, or rather we are making butternut soup. And we'll go right into the ingredients. So we have white onions, garlic and ginger. This is apple, a sweet apple, and our butternuts. Oh yeah, and coconut milk. Almost forgot that. So chop your butternut and dice it. Carefully, like that. Dice it into small pieces. Like that. So in a sufuria, go right in with your white onion. Cook it until it's translucent. Then go in with your garlic and ginger. Give that a good mix, then cover for a couple of minutes. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. Go in with your Royco. You can use spices of your choice. I chose to just use Royco here. Give that a good mix as well. Then go in with your butternut. And then your sweet apple. That was quite what am I saying? That is optional. The apple is optional. But there's no harm in trying. Cover that for about 5 minutes. Then go in with water. Maji weke kidogo. Then go in with your coconut milk. Oh yeah, and salt to taste, don't forget. I also added pepper. That's cayenne pepper. Hii ni optional guys. Kama upendi pilipili, skip this part. Give that a good boil. Until the butternut is completely tender, completely. And our butternut is ready. So now into the blender, go in with your butternut stew, let's call it stew, and give it a good blend it completely. Also be careful when you're blending something hot. Una blend pole pole. Then in the same sufuria, go back with your butternut squash and let it cook for another like 5 minutes. And our squash is ready. So easy to make, very easy to make. So now it's time for us to plate. That's a dania leaf to garnish. I went right in with my butternut seeds and some coconut milk. And that's it guys. Look at that. Make sure you do try this recipe and let me know how it goes. It's a very easy recipe. You just need very few ingredients and yeah, you're good to go. Let's dig in. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also don't forget to try this recipe. I served my soup with bread. And it was yummy. It was so good. See you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching.